So today we went into the tents with our Mark V Supra. When the MK4 came out, it was a long journey into the 10s and a long journey into people getting into single turbos and clutches and fuel systems and computers. And it's 2019, so you buy a car, you change the tires, change the exhaust, put some fuel in it and a flash, and you've got this 10-second available car. So the technology, while this is a more advanced platform with a much more involved control strategy in the ECU, the technology is here to support it, and these cars will be going fast quickly.